The US General 44-inch roller cabinet is the perfect tool storage solution for any shop or garage. Part of the Series 2 platform, this roller cabinet is designed to expand to fit your needs. Measuring in at 22 inches deep, this cabinet features 14,000 cubic inches of tool storage and has a maximum working load of 2,600 pounds. 13 ultra-deep drawers, including a full-width top drawer, allows for maximum flexibility to organize your tools. All drawers feature smooth rolling ball bearing slides to easily handle heavy loads. Double slide drawers are rated for 200 pounds. Each single slide drawer is rated for 100 pounds. Pre-cut liners are included to protect and keep your tools organized. The friction detents keep drawers securely closed. Integrated barrel locks keep your tools safe and secure with one turn of the key. A thick rubber mat is included to protect the cabinet and doubles as a convenient work surface. 5-inch diameter casters are designed for easy mobility when fully loaded. All US General toolboxes feature a heavy-duty welded steel chassis. The double wall construction provides unmatched rigidity and durability. The chemical and scratch-resistant powder coat finish will withstand years of abuse. US General tool storage is available in 6 high-gloss colors, designed to expand with your needs. Easily add a top chest, side cabinet, or end locker, for a total of 57,700 cubic inches of storage. Don't forget the full line of color-matched magnetic accessories. US General Series 2 rolling cabinets are available in 26, 44, 56, and 72-inch sizes. Visit your local store or shop online at harborfreight.com.